morning, Spokane, North Idaho team. If you've landed on this video, you're probably in the market for a big garage, as the title indicates. That's what's special about this house. We're priced at $699 on this one, about 2,200 square feet, 4-bedroom and a den as well. But the cool thing is this huge RV bay here that's 16 by 45 deep, 16-foot tall ceilings, so you can get just about any toy here from the Northwest in here. And then you've got a little loft area as well up above. The second unique thing about this place is that it's proximate to Coeur, Alene, and you got the Atlas Waterfront Park down there. It's maybe a 5-minute drive from here, 10-minute walk, but they've got walking and biking trails right along the Spokane River. And also there's an enclosed dog park as well down there. But again, super proximate to access everything in Coeur, Alene as well on this one. So if you're in the market for something like that, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. If you're looking to buy or sell, maybe trade up and home or trade down, give us a call. Let's meet, let's chat about how we can get you to your goals and make a plan from there. So we're gonna get to the tour of the house right now.